Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So in this video, we are going to talk about another internship opportunity. And this is going to be a great opportunity for those who are looking for a job because of the fact that if you have the internship, you will be provided with a letter of recommendation after you complete this internship, and you will be given a job offer as well if you pass all the test criteria of the company. So this is by our Urban company, which was primarily known as Urban Clap earlier. And they will be giving you a stipend of 25,000, which is great when you don't have any skill set, any knowledge of the tech world. And this internship is for business development domain. And yes, if you want to become a data analyst, business consultant afterwards, this is going to be a really crucial internship for those, because of the fact that once you work on the data analysis or business consultants, you will get the sales data a lot. And if you have the knowledge of tackling the sales people, the sales data would be much more easier for someone who wants to transition to analytics industry. So yes, apart from that, you will be given a 25,000 stipend as a complete fresher, and you could also be in your final year of graduation, or you could be a pass out. And if you don't have added anything in your resume, this is going to be something that is really crucial for you. So let's see where you can find this internship. So yes, I'm going to provide you with the URL, and here you see all of these things are written. So the location is Ahmedabad, and if the location is a constraint, you could also search for another location. They are hiring for other locations as well. And as I've said, that the internship is for the business development sales intern. And yes, you should know MS Excel, and you will be trained on that as well. And yeah, this could take around 6 months to complete. I hope you apply to this one, because yes, getting a stipend of 25,000 is a lot for someone who doesn't have any skills. Trust me, when we started out, it was even lesser than that. So grab this opportunity for an intern. And yeah, this is a 6 months internship. Please apply before 4th of March. The registration is currently open. Apply now, and yeah, go for it completely. So this is going to be a great opportunity for you. Please do apply. And the number of openings is 1, but it's not actually 1. They are hiring in many like countings. So this is just for one single location. You can find another locations as well. So yeah, this was it for this video. If you have any query, suggestion or doubt, write it in the comment section below. I would highly appreciate your time in writing such comment. So yeah, this was it for this video. Bye bye for now until we meet next time.